Game 40 scheduled po tayo 8:30 this wonderful March 30, 2026 Monday. Yan, live tayo here at Barangay Santiago DM Gym. Kasama natin ngayon tonight maglalaro. We have Barangay Tambacan represent. We have the Sultan RXS and Cafe, and we have the Barangay Villaverde represent Team Ares. And your sports commentator kasama natin yan ngayon gabi guys. Dynamic natin na MC, and together with our our league ambassador Mikoy.
Yes.
Age 2.0.
And of course, with me right now is your #1 Mike Master G ng Iligan City, no other than Mr. Jervin Halili.
All right, so now let's go and let's announce our team rooster to represent Barangay Tambacan. We have the Sultan's Cafe RX. We have playing center Andur, Calve, Kodarangan. We have Dimasimpan, Haji Musa III. Kapampangan, Makapuli, Macarao, Arabe, Miraato, Nacional, Palawan, Pangkonga. We have Potawan, Coach Tata, and head coach we have Coach Emong Sayas.
And of course, representing Barangay Villaverde, we have RXSD WonderTech. We have Aban, Alcantara, Arnoco, Balsita, Baluaash, Balua ASN, Castro, Diquere, Ferrares, Lembaga, Nies, Oberes, Sabubo, Sandoy, Villaverde, and of course your head coach. We have no other than head coach Nene Nabong.
We have playing guard position. We have Calve. Another guard. We have Miraato playing forward. We have Magangkong. We have another forward. We have Dimasimpan, and playing center we have Andur.
Forward, Balsita, and of course playing power forward, Mr. Aban, and your man in the middle, Mr. Brian Villaverde.
Like at Facebook page po natin, honey. Hindi pa nakapag-follow sa ating one of the finest of vlogger ng Iligan, guys. We have a page ni Mikoy 2.0. So
Yes,
please like
thank you so
Facebook
much,
page po tayo,
Mr. Jervin Halili. Of course, that was your
Nagpapasaya.
#1 Mike Master G ng Iligan, Mr. Jervin Halili. Yes, thank you so much.
Nagpapasaya sa araw nyo, guys. If you're sad, if you feel like gray and
Kung dagan mong problema,
tanaw lang mo
tanaw sa
page ni
video
Mikoy.
para madugangan yung problema. Anyways, guys, that's it for me.
Thank
I have
you.
to work. Yan, Mr.
Thank you.
Jervin will take over.
Ayan, God bless, paring Mikoy. So I'll be now joining our live streaming for the second half. Third quarter and fourth quarter po tayo. So now we have some technicalities no mga ka-GBL. So please allow yourselves to make some adjustment in this kind of preparation for the second half. So wala po tayong live streaming, but recorded po yung game natin. So there, don't you ever worry kahit di tayo live. We are recorded po yung laruan natin tonight. So eto na. We'll just prepare for our second half. And the second quarter is brought to us by Honorable Vice Mayor Wick Iligan. We can do it. Okay, so back to the ball game po tayo, and okay, so bola na ngayon ng Team Ares. So again, as mentioned mga ka-GBL, live viewers natin here at Barangay Santiago, Team Ares is looking forward for the win tonight para makapasok sa top 6 for our playoffs. And na, Oberes almost lost it, recovered. Pass to Arnoco. Arnoco driving the basket. Pass to from Baloa. Baloa. No good. Tata. To Arabe. Arabe. Jumper no good. Fighting for that rebound. Nakuha ng Ares. Arnoco. Walang bantay. Tumira ng tres. Bang! Arnoco for 3 points. Ayun. Miraato. Pass to Dimasimpan. To Tata. Walang bantay sa tres. Tumira. Out. Dimasimpan got another rebound. Ayan na. Oh, that would be traffic. Nakuha yung bola. Balsita. Wow. A nice shot by Balsita for 2 points. Arabe. Looking for the Pinoy, driving the basket, and that would be another steal. Almost got it, but another rebound, another 3 for Tata. No good. Rebound by Balawaash. Arnoco, 3-1. Balsita, easy jumper, 2 points. Timeout, Team Sultan. Eto na mga ka-GBL, as mentioned earlier, talagang hindi magpapatalo ang Team Ares tonight, and we are now witnessing a momentous gameplay for Team Aris. Talagang kakayanin at gagawin lahat makuha ang panalo tonight because again, they are fighting for the 6th spot. Makapasok sa ating sa ating Big Six, no? So hindi nakakaalam mga ka-GBL, we are now winding down to the last few scheduled for this week. Starting next week, April na po tayo, and we will now have our first GBL playoffs. Ayan. So now, Aris are looking forward for a win tonight. Okay, so back to the ball game po tayo from the timeout. Miraato looking for a pass. Tata. Arabe. Balik kay Tata. Miraato side corner for 3. Bang! 3 points for Miraato. Side corner yun na 3. Eto na. Back na po natin yung live, ha? 115 viewers. Maraming salamat sa ating YouTube channel. Sorry po, pasensya na. May technical difficulties na tayo sa internet connection kanina. Okay. Oh. Ash Maloa shooting for 2. No good. Villaber got that as a rebound and 2 points for Villaber. Ayan, abante na. 50-52. Abante ang lamang sa Ares. Tata. Balik kay Tata na naman. Attacking the basket. Pass to Miraato. Miraato to Tata. Nice small pass. Side corner, 3 in and out. Rebound by Andur. Andur got another foul and a 3-point opportunity for Andur. Ayan, so Andur tied that ball game in 52, but we have a 3-point opportunity. So Andur will go to the line for a free throw. Oberas got his second and first team foul for this quarter. Miraato will have the free throw, ready for rebound. In and out. Oh, tanawara. Grabe. Nakatulog ang tatlong bantay ng Aris that time. Isa easy rebound na sana. And that definitely, that was the result of the unboxing the rebound. Grabe, tatlo sila. Walang rebound. Nakuha pa ni Andur. Forcing that board, no good. Arabe to Miraato. Miraato to Andur. Andur attacking the basket. And another 2 points for Andur. So talagang dapat di mag-relax yung Team Aris natin this time, mga ka-GBL, because again, they are fighting for a position for a Big Six. Arnoco to Oberes. Oberes jumper for 2. No good. Rebound by Andur. Tata. Taking the basket. Arabe. Spin reverse layup. But Andur got that rebound. Timeout. Team Aris. Ayun, tumawag na timeout kasi nakaka-momentum na din ang Team Sultan. Pero this time, lamang na ngayon ang Team Sultan, and that timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wikwikwi Iliga. We can do it. So eto, napapa-timeout ang Team Ares kasi nakuha yung momentum bigla from the timeout. So definitely the coaching staff of Ares should make a stop for that kind of play, no? So titignan natin makabawi sila after this timeout, mga ka-GBL. So shout out po sa ating mga live viewers po tayo, ha? Sa ating 138,000 viewers na nanonood sa ating YouTube channel and sa ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Shout out po tayo. So game 40 po tayo scheduled for March 30. No? So this will be the second game for tonight. Back to the ball game po tayo. Luca Baloa is now setting up a play for his teammates. Basita. Villaver. Binantayan ng dalawa. Basita. To Baloa ulit. Jumper by Baloa. Forcing the shot. No good. 2-1-3. Okay, another points for Team Sultan from that connection play. 60-52, under 5 minutes and 50 for the third. Arnoco forcing the shot, no good. Balsita again. Okay, lost it, but it's a steal. Arabe. Arabe for 2. Okay, in and out. Top up, no good. Rebound by Kapampangan. Kapampangan, that would be a basket. 2 points for Kapampangan. Score 62-52. Ayan, double digit na. 10 ng lamang ng Team Sultans. This time mga ka-GBL, Baloa. Arnoco for side 3. In and out. No good. Nakuha yung rebound. Di masimpan. To Miraato. Miraato attacking the basket. Short. As Baloa got that rebound. Pass to Luca Baloa. And Balsita. Baloa sharing the basket. No good. In and out. Rebound by Villaver. Villaver. Posting up. And that would be using the board. 2 points for Villaver. Dapat agresibo dapat ngayon si Villaver. Taking an advantage of that height and that rebound. So definitely both offense and defense magagamit talaga si Villaver this time. So dapat consistent. Okay, Nacional. Another 3. No good. Rebound by Kapangpangan. Okay, that would be a steal for Villaver. Luca Baloa in traffic, but bilangga ni Miraato, and that would be a foul for Miraato. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya Jan. Okay, so eto na, back to the ball game po tayo guys ha. Yan. Arnoco. Long bomb. In and out. That's a rebound. Baloa got it. Yan, Baloa got it, but that's foul. So Baloa will go to the line. And Kuya Jan will be my partner for tonight.
Yes, one way of ato ako rin pag-practice sa itong sportscasting.
Yes, sportscasting.
Yeah.
So we're looking forward for third.
Sige lang sa score. Naman sa official.
Okay, so anyway, so as mentioned mga ka-GBL, this will be a crucial play for Team Ares this time because again, they are fighting their way up. Papasok Kuya Jan sa top 6 kasi it's a do or die for them tonight. Kung mapildi sila, definitely bye-bye na for the season.
Yes, you heard it right. Kasi yung MSU IIT, they were rooting for, of course, Sultans.
Yes.
They got the win over the other advantage.
Yes.
Ares. So, malamang ang MSU Cats ngayon, MSU IIT Cats, no? Actually, they're cheering for co-MSU po ng
Yes,
system.
oo.
So, magtinabangay ang mga MSU system sana eh.
Sakto Kuya Jan. No?
Grabe ang ilahang kwan. Even sa mga postings nato ang MSU IIT Cats, no? They were rooting really for MSU Sultans. Kaya
Yes.
para po makasulod sila.
So Haji Musa is very consistent in that kind of play. So talagang magaling si Haji Musa ngayon. Very active sa kanyang laruan. Napapa-flash talaga. Naka-energy drink siguro to. Ash, tumira ng tres. Short. Kapampangan got the rebound. Andan. Oh, lost it. And definitely that will be a turnover. So yun, pumasok na yun si Makapudi. Pinalitan ngayon si Arabe.
Yes, and also, Kuya Jerb, no, we have to ato ni shoutout ang mga fans nato. Si Rona Dennis Ipsagel. Shoutout sa akong partner, Dennis Tatang Nganitanaw Dira.
Ay, maraming salamat. Shout out po sa inyo mga ka-GBL.
Shoutout din si Sir Tatang. And of course, Sir Joseph Richie Ligaspi. Sir, ipasok na si Papa Sais from Ashbury Sunny. Sabi itong mga fans. Si Jovic Ordanisa also watching.
Yes, 64 po tayo, 64-58.
And also sa mga nagtatanong kung anong results ng first game natin. So we have
Okay.
a forfeit.
Forfeit
kasi
yan.
hindi dumating ang ating
CYBC.
clone bites, no?
Ay, naku, Vice pala, sorry.
Clone
Vice pala.
bites. So automatic win for our K-Shine Granville.
So, win by default.
Win by default.
Bang! Grabe talaga laruan ni Haji Musa ngayon, guys. For me, talagang consistent sa kanyang play. Both defense and offense and shooting. Haji Musa is very consistent in this play.
Yeah, I remember during the SPC game, grabe itong si Haji Musa.
Yes.
The speed, the agility,
Tanan.
and of
Around.
course, may shooting din, no?
Yes, definitely. Talagang a key player of the Team Sultan, Kuya Jan.
Yeah, that is why this platform sa GBL natin, no, we make sure also na this platform can also showcase the talent of our local players.
Yes.
So, because of the power of social media, no, lahat
naman.
no, it can be seen. Dili lang diri sa Iligan, no?
It's easy for a scout to look forward sa mga laruan na kanilang mga paboritong kinascout ng mga players. Yes.
And by the way, this is our very last game for our elimination round. And
Yes.
this is very crucial, both bearing sa duha ka teams because this is a do or die game once again for Ares. And of course, for Sultans,
Yes.
they need to win this so that they can retain the #1 spot.
Definitely.
Kaya kung dili sila madaog ani, they would fall to the #2 spot and then they would cross over to the #3.
Kaya nga,
And-
sa akong observation ko yun dyan is that dili gyud ko makaingon nga i-giveaway lang po sa Sultan for Ares to take an easy win for this game tonight. Kay sila po na po sila ang daogon na spot for this kasi positioning maguna for
Yes.
the playoffs.
Yes, exactly. Because having the #1 spot, you got to have the advantage of ang imong ma-crossover is ang #4.
Yes,
And
definitely.
obviously, ang ato ang top 3 ang mga pinaka-contending na team.
Yes.
So you don't want to mess up with Bajams or Rayela
Yes.
Trabunco. So if you got that spot at #1, you are secured on that spot.
Alright.
So mas close of chances of winning the championship.
So that's why Team Sultan will also fighting their way to win tonight for that kind of setup of the positioning for the playoffs. Kapangpangan for
And shout out Sir Rocky Israel. Shout out Roger. Akong migoy, duty siya. Watching live. Thank you so many.
Okay, ready for rebound po tayo? Okay, so wala tayong conversion for the free throw from Kapangpangan.
And as always, we would like to give our heartfelt thank you to our Philippine National Police
Yes,
Station 1, of
parating
course, for keeping us safe. And of course,
security
DRRMO.
Yeah.
Grabe ang suporta ng atin. And of course, that is under the leadership of our Mayor, Frederick W. Shao.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mayor.
Ang league bearer natin ng
Yes.
GBL
Season
Season 1, our Honorable Mayor Frederick W. Shao.
And actually, napaka, uy, may ano doon.
Alright, so end of the regulation na po tayo. So 67-63. Ayun, binaba ng Team Ares ang kalamangan ng 10 ng ating Team Sultan. So definitely, 4 na lang yung hahabulin. So this will be a close-up game for this last and final quarter for tonight, Kuya Jan.
Last quarter na lang. At lamang pa yung Sultan. The
Yes.
pressure now is on Ares. But,
Ares.
I understand, ang Ares, no, they're very focused. They needed this win as much as the Sultans do, di ba? Kaya ang Sultans already secured their spot.
Yes.
But once again, Sultan needs to win this to secure the #1 spot. So for Ares, mas dako lang ilang stake kay they will be eliminated.
Yes, mo nang digid po sila mapapildi for tonight's game. So definitely ibuhos na lahat ng ang kanilang mga talent and strength for tonight, Kuya Jan, for Team Ares.
Yes, definitely because GBL Season 1 is the very first time in Iligan. In fact,
Yes.
in the province. So maraming nagtatanong anong first time to na nangyari na televised talaga, meron tayong social media and then across all platforms. No, we can be viewed on YouTube, on Facebook, in TikTok and also in Instagram.
And for that, Kuya Jan, thank you so much also for
thank you,
SciTech
Thank you so
DMS. Talagang without your passion in the technology advancement, talagang wala tayong live streaming tayo tonight.
To God be the glory. And
Yes.
also kudos to the very hardworking staff and team. Our production manager Adele, and of course our creative director RJ,
RJ.
Our graphic designer Kath, and our camera operator Paolo, Wilmer, and Joven. So grabe, solid talaga tong team natin
Yes.
sa SciTech.
When it comes to the advancement of technology, may kasama pang experience. Talagang invited na kayo sa mga outside town na mga laruan. And sa mga gusto mag-inquire lang kayo kay Kuya Jan sa SciTech TMS. Ayan, tinawagan ng warning for technical.
Kanina sa GC natin sa mga team owners, medyo emotional si
Uberes.
Kuya Uberes no, na para siya nagpapaalam na. But sa,
Di pa naman,
Eka nga,
di pa tapos laban.
bilog yung bola, di ba? Grabe
Pero
talaga.
di naman malayo yung agwat ng advance ng scoring. Talagang pwede pa nila talagang
Yes.
making a play for this to take a momentum
yes.
event activity like this.
And coming from the previous games of Ares, nakita naman natin yung intensity, yung competitiveness ng team.
Yes.
And of course, you can see the players there. Mr. Villaver is there, Arnoco, Nies, De Kering. They're also one of among the premier players of Iligan City. So Aris is definitely not an underdog. It's just so happened that they're standing, medyo may kalamangan lang talaga si Sultans. And again, the pressure is on them
Yes.
because they needed this win as much as Sultans do. Okay, na-rebound.
Yeah, pero the Aris are now forcing a shot. But definitely, pag inanang nga dula, kuya dyan, kinahanglan is set play good na to secure a percentage shot ba?
Yes.
Kahit shooter ka naman, pas kusog ang depensa or malakas yung defense, that will be a problem for you to do your shooting. Okay.
From Arnoco. Arnoco is one
Yes.
of our top 3-point shooters of the league.
Yes.
And of course, being the shooter, he can shoot anywhere. So medyo nagkakagulo na tong si... Kasi last quarter na to, you should give your all.
Yes, everything for Team Aris, eto na talaga.
Yeah, and we had an 8-point ball game. Din ang oras natin is 8 minutes pa, no?
Marami pang oras.
So kayang-kaya pa to, no? Statistically ng Ares.
Aris should make a play for this, no? Dapat nila gawin every ball possession na mapasok and ma-convert yung points nila
Yes,
para
yes.
mahabol. For that kind of shot, I don't believe na talagang tama yung decision ni Arnoco.
Yeah, and of course, shout out to John G. Candilanza and then Rachel. And sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit kami nagtatagalog, kasi napapanood tayo sa Luzon.
Yes,
And of
definitely.
course, So before lang kasi, parang ang scope lang natin is parang sa Mindanao or sa Iligan lang. But now, knowing na meron pala tayong mga viewers and mga supporters coming from the Luzon area.
Yes, and also international.
Yes, of
Ay, mga kabayan natin dyan nga, mga OFW, keep safe po tayo dyan, especially sa Middle East, na nanonood and passionately, 222,000 viewers tayo.
And,
Ayan.
Yeah, and by the way, when we go back to the playoffs, since playoffs na yan, we
Yes.
will try to maybe okay na siguro yung panahon to get back to the Freddy Xiao, Mayor Freddy Xiao na page.
Gymnasium. Ay,
Because we
page.
can maintain at I think mga 1K views, ay mga 1K live viewers no?
Yes,
Kasi mas
and-
maraming followers doon eh.
And we're going to live it on the LED wall.
Hopefully, no, we
Sa
can
ating
coordinate
natin.
with our city government.
Yes, ating information office
Yes,
natin.
yes. Definitely nun. Napaka-exciting nun kasi ang daming hindi makapunta dito since medyo
Distance.
challenging yung parking area
Yeah.
natin. And
Distance then from the city center.
actually, marami ding may concern with regards to location. But once again, we would like to tell you that this is the best case scenario that we can do for now. But you know, moving forward, of course.
Talagang aggressive ngayon sa rebound, but Arnoco is now forcing every shot, and definitely for me, it's not a good decision for a play na pilitin yung tira na yon. They need to set a play for this, Kuya Jan, to secure every ball possession na mapasok yung puntos. And that will rebound. Okay, Aman. Set that rebound. Luca Baloa, 10 to shoot.
Ito si Baluwa, ang galing to. Shooter din to.
Yes, shooter din yan.
Oh, namintis nga lang, no? Oh, na-rebound ng kanyang younger brother, Arnoco.
Baloa is open for 3.
Ito na nga yung shooter.
Bang! Ngayon.
Ito na.
Kapasok na.
Ito na.
Ito na kayo.
Kapit Ares, no?
Oo,
Ito na.
Eto na, nothing but bottom. Pumasok yung tres ni Baloa, and that would be 68-73.
We have a 5-point ball game. Medyo kinakabahan yung mga nanonood. Baka may,
Tata,
uy!
binawian agad ni Tata.
Pamatay
for the
sunog
three.
yun. Pamatay sunog yun para sa Sultans. Sayang yung 5 points, naging 8 ulit. But
Pero you know what, Kuya Jano, if I'm going to set a play for this team, talagang they need to step up a leader ba, no? To take a command. Kasi, ano yan eh, it's not about strength. It's a battle between emotion din.
Yes.
Kasi pag napapagod ka ng habulin yan, talagang you will step down with the momentous mindsetting ba nga, maigo na po, masak, malabuan na po ta, so maluya, yun. So there will be a word to speak nga, dapat mo-command for his team, no? To make a play ba?
yeah, I could not agree more because especially
Oh, that would be a good one.
that would be an
Sayang.
attempted dunk.
Yes.
My goodness.
Highlight na yun. Posterized dunk.
And speaking of which na, since meron tayong mga viewers outside from the country, yes, shout out to Malambot Usudan MJ. Shout out from Canada.
Wow!
From Northern America, my brother, no?
Masarap manood ng GBL kasama yung mga ginger ale natin dyan.
Yes, of course. Also,
Mainumin.
we would like to greet Sir Nico Arimao, Go Sultans, and of course, Moyed, Mastura, Mamainko, Bakatatayarn. Grabe talaga tong support system ng Sultans.
Yes.
Mga Muslim and Maranao
Kasi
brothers.
from Lanao Sur. Pride din na to ng Lanao Sur.
78-70. We have 5 minutes remaining na lang.
Alright, so 5 minutes, if, alright, 60 minutes pa na to, Kuya Jan.
Okay,
no?
almost,
Because
yeah.
almost 60.
5 minutes and 57 seconds.
So the Team Ares must be aggressive, both offense and defense, for this defense to stop, to lead the points for Sultan, and to advance their offense, dapat makapuntos sila in their ball possession.
Yeah, and also, makikita natin sa mga faces ng mga audience natin, ginakabahan sila.
Oo,
no? Baka
tahimik,
mga,
tahimik talaga yung...
may mga ano dyan, no? Hindi na lang natin banggitin.
baka nakalimutan
Yung mga plus minus dyan. Ay, ito nga. As much as possible, di ba sabi nga namin sa GBL, kami dito sa board, no, we don't promote any gambling, but
Yeah.
outside, it's your life, no?
Basta kasi iba,
Sa inyo na yan.
livelihood yan eh.
Sa inyo na yan.
As long as hindi apektado yung mga
Basta
laruan natin.
Wala kami dyan. Out kami dyan. So, back to the ball game. Ito,
Oh.
hesitation move at saka may foul from Adan. Grabe. Si Arnoco.
And that will be a good decision for Arnoco to attack the basket, Kuya Jan, kasi that will be another team foul for the team. So maduol sa penalty. So every foul for the Team Sultan, free throws for them.
At parang naramdaman ni Arnoco na parang hindi pumapasok yung
Yes,
mga tira
definitely.
niya. So, he needs to adjust.
As mentioned kanina nga, dapat masettled sila for that easy shot.
Yes, shout out also to Mekhan J. Shout out from Adnan from Iran. Oh, grabe naman tong Iran na to. At naka-plus 10 yan. Yes, ito shout out from Pagadian. Uy, meron din tayong from Pagadian City. Grabe. Ma'am Genevieve. Good Arabe. The 3-point specialist from Sultans. Ito na, si Balua. Pass to Arnoco. Arnoco for open 3, no? Walang depensa. Ay, hindi pumasok eh. Foul si Nies doon. Kasi sa positioning, lamang si Al-Arabe.
So Arnoco is struggling for 3. So definitely in that kind of ball possession, fast break, dapat tinuloy na lang niya pinasok yung tira ngayon. So under 4 minutes and 42 po tayo sa last quarter na to. So it's a do or die for Team Ares.
Oo nga, no? May nakita ako naka-green ba? Akala ko madam ng Sultan. Yun pala si wifey ko. No?
Ay!
Uy,
Iba
shoutout sa iyo,
talaga.
wifey. Akala ko sa madam ng Sultan.
Bang! Arnoco finding his rhythm.
Hindi tayo pinapansin ni wifey. Parang parang Sultan.
First lady, dito yung first lady ng ano.
Adnan. Watching from
GBL.
Davao. Uy, meron tayong viewers from Davao.
Ay.
So, Kuya Jervin, imagine kung
Yes.
malilipat na tayo kang Freddie May,
Oh.
Mayor Freddie, and then doon na tayo may mga, ang dami nating viewers. No?
Yes, definitely.
In fact, nung may mga times na may laruan na bad jumps ata yun at saka trabong, umabot
Yes.
na ng 1.5K.
Yes.
So, during playoffs, mag-iiba na talaga yung atmosphere.
Yes, because most of the Iliganos are now watching.
Yeah. The most anticipated league, not only in Iligan City, and of course, our neighboring towns. And we're building the hype no, across the country. No?
Yes.
Ito lang ata itong sa first time natin sa Iligan na gumagawa tayo ng ganito.
Yes.
So, there are many first time in GBL.
And you know what, Kuya Jan, baba na sa 3 ang lamang ng Sultan. And this
Yeah.
will be a crucial thing for our Sultan, no? To give way if makapasok na makamomentum yung Team Ares ito. Tignan natin.
Yung nga, no?
Okay, there you go. So, double team na. Ayun. Oh, that would be almost a steal. Recovered by Adnan. Okay, the pass back. Eto na.
The 3 points na lang pala, no?
Forcing that D.
Oh!
Okay,
Kapampangan, the
got it.
veteran. Grabe.
Rebound.
What a power move, power rebound, at saka power shot mo ni Kapampangan na Snur.
Hindi na bumalik
Uy,
yung
open.
mga ano natin dun.
Oh, sayang. Open yun. Open shot yun eh.
Yes. But too short lang talaga.
Yeah, 80-75. We have a 5-point ball game. And we have 3 minutes and 29 seconds left. No? Todo na talaga tong mga players natin kasi again, this is a do or die game for Ares. Si Arubak nahanap si Kapampangan and I think we have a foul.
Substitution. Ayun,
Wow.
tumawag timeout. Ayun, Kuya Jan, Taris got use their timeout.
May nag-comment dito, pag nag-champion ang Sultans, podcast tayo ulit. Pakita ko sa inyo paano magsalita ang Sultans. Grabe.
Looking forward for that, no?
Yeah, and of course, we'd like to, we're very pleased to inform you na ang GBL natin, meron din tayong sariling podcast.
Yes.
This is the very first time also in the Mindanao, in any basketball competition na may sarili tayong
Podcast.
media production team at may sarili
Para
tayong podcast.
makilala talaga lahat ng mga players na
Off the
sumali-
court.
Off the court.
Off the court. So, sa mga nagtatanong, we do have a GBL off-court podcast every Tuesday.
Tuesday yan.
Grabe to. And live yan, ha?
Live.
Take note, live yan.
So knowing the story behind the team and individual career path and mga life struggles.
Yeah, you get to know
Learn.
your favorite players,
Yes.
no? Hindi lang sa mga laro, kundi sa buhay-buhay din.
Yes, alam natin yung mga struggles nila, how did they overcome.
Yes.
They can learn from their life. no?
Ito na si Calvin. Uy, wow!
Oh, naiwanan.
Nasnor naman talaga, ginamitan ng edad.
Yeah, so definitely the Sultan,
Grabe.
very aggressive sa pasahan nila. So Aris must make a stoppage on that kind of play. Doon sila napapatay.
Kanina tatlo na lang ata yan eh. Sayang nga yun. Hindi naman nag-convert. Puro missed shots eh. Missed shots from Ares. And then ang kalaban nila ngayon, 1 oras. 2 minutes and 48 seconds na lang.
Ayun, 82-75 ha. 2 minutes 48 for the last quarter.
Good thing may podcast kasi nabibigyan ng highlight yung mga aspiring players from Mindanao, especially from Sur and Norte. Thank you so much, Sir Mayod, Mastura, Mamainko.
Arnoko
Shout
is
out.
fighting for that ball game. And
Watching from Turkey, no? Si Sir Muaymen, si Bisuda, Faisal Arkrim. Bahala na to. Okay na yun.
yes. But
Back
for
to the
me, it's not a good decision for Arnoko to burn time kasi sila yung naghahabol.
Sila yung naghabol, tama. Kuya Jer.
They must not settle for a long shot and long bomb and definitely dapat
Eto na.
rotation talaga.
Ginamitan na talaga ng edad to nilang dalawa, no? Si Calve. Calve, ito, one of their veterans. And then, they have to waste time, no? Consume time because the
Kill the time
time is on them. The time is on them. The time is with them.
Lamang naman sila talaga.
But, ang laking oras pa niyan, 2 minutes, no?
Marami pang mangyari.
Yes,
So yun oh.
Uy, open! Ba't ganun? Buti na lang, na-rebound ni Villaver. Ito na, Aris is back. Di Kere. Di Kere for the layup. Oh.
And the 2 points. Dick Kelly
Yes,
is a
yes.
good...
They needed that one.
Yeah.
They needed that one. Joseph
Kailangan nila
Litera
yun.
watching from Davao, sir.
Shout out sa'yo.
Shout out sa iyo, sir. Of course. Ito na. Uy! Dalawang hindi... Oy, may foul doon, may foul. Ito na, Kuya Jerv.
Ayan.
Bumabalik na si Ares, no? At saka ang audience natin, parang hala, mga naka-plus dyan. Hala kayo dyan. Hey! Shout out watching from Marikina. Oh, ito na nga yan, oh. Si Levy Wilson Infante.
Ayan. Shout out sa'yo. Sir Levy, Boss Levy. Kay GBL na Levy. Ito na, creating a momentum but tumawag ng quick timeout ang ating team Sultan. Both team are penalty na po. So, this timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wek Wek Wee, Iligan.
We can do it. Thank you so much, our Vice Mayor, and of course, our league bearer, Mayor Xiao, together with our councilors, Councilor Derek Xiao and Councilor King Belmonte.
Yes.
And of course, our very own partners, our official rehydration,
Partner.
laging nandyan, Amlan.
Si Calve na may dinadamdam na hamstring injury.
Si Calve, okay. At least no, may mga remarks tayo from audience, ating mga live audience. And the score is
Ayan, pababa na pababa.
82-77. Halak.
Gabay na lang ang pusta niya pa.
82-77. By the way, kasama pala natin si the great Kuya Reynold,
Reynold.
ang owner ng Clone Bites. Shout out no
So-
sa mga gustong
Sabi
mag-avail.
kuya, nag-prepare ng pagkaon kuya. Nyawa yun itong nga ang mga kan.
Ba?
Pagkaon.
Nag-prepare na.
Dal-alam na nila.
Hey. So once again, this is our very last game for our
Correct.
elimination round. And this is a must-win for Ares.
Ball possession yun kasi
So that they
tinawagan ng
can
technical.
so they can retain the number 6 spot. Ito na. Uy, oh my goodness. God. Oh, anong nangyari? Anong nangyari doon?
It's a shot clock violation. Dapat gumalaw lahat ng mga Team Ares at time para makita yung open man.
Ito na. Miraato. Uy, na-stepping ata pa. At tinawagan nga na stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line.
Oh, that is a costly turnover.
Yes.
Sayang yun, no? But
Baba na sa tatlong naman.
tatlo na lang.
Last 2 minutes na po tayo, half for the quarter, and now we are winding down to the
Oh.
seconds to play na. Last minute na po tayo.
Yes, yung mga nagtatanong kung matalo ang Ares, yes, laglag na po sila at papasok po sa top 6. Uy, 3 points! Bang! Wow! Tabla na tayong kapit! Kapit, Barangay Santiago! Oh
And
my
now,
goodness!
We are
Oh
in
my
seconds
goodness.
to play.
Oh my goodness! Ang
Seconds
saya-saya
to
ni Kuya.
play tayo.
Ang
Seconds to
saya-saya
play.
ni- Oh my goodness! 50.
Last 1 minute.
Calve, pass to Dimasimo!
Uy! Ayun. Buti na lang pumasok yung tres na yon.
Grabe naman to.
But Di Masimpan.
GBL naman.
Di Masimpan will go to the line for a 2.
I mean, Kuya Jer,
Oh.
pag nanonood tayo ng live, maganda din naman kasi may
Yes.
production tayo, ganyan. Pero iba talaga dito sa, ano, no, sa venue
Madadalak talaga sa intensity ng laro
Grabe.
and talagang support ng mga fans natin here.
And na-notice natin na sa mga past, I think 10 games natin, yung mga laban parang
Nagiging very competitive.
yan, of course, parang sunod-sunod yung mga intensity ng games natin, di ba? Wala, si Kuya Uberes, eto na.
Fighting for a timeout
Eto
talaga.
na siya. Eto na siya talaga.
Okay, Di Masimpan will go to the line and dito na guys, ito na mga kuya dyan. Wala yun siya bigayan for the rebound.
Grabe, 82 all ang score natin. Dimasim, oh.
She counted.
Uy, si Madam Sultan, dyan, no? Naka-green. 83-82.
Oh, yan.
So, final shot for the
Ready
free
for
throw.
rebound. Ready for rebound po
Ito
tayo.
na. Watching from... Ano to? Uy, wala, eto na.
got the rebound.
Eto na. We have 50 seconds remaining time.
47.
Okay, bit-bit ni Baloa yung bola. Oh, bola. Oh,
Uy, nakuha pa.
Sayang yun. Sayang Baloa. Ay! Kuya, ano ba to?
There's one!
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Napapatayo
Ito na,
ako
ito
ngayon.
na. Ito na, ito na. Uy! Uy, nakuha. Nakuha nga. Ala, wala eh. Parang sayang.
Pinilit ni Arlo
Sayang.
yung tira na yun.
Sayang. Malamang nanonood yun ngayon yung MSUI Cats, no?
Yes.
Grabe yung dasal nila, no? For
Umabot na
Sultans.
tayo ng 299.
Oh my
300,
God.
isang isa na lang.
Actually, 300
300.
Oh, grabe.
Patayo ako kuya dyan. Grabe. Talagang both defense and offense, both teams talagang intense tayo that time. Last time out na.
Grabe.
There will be no timeout for Team Sultan, mga ka-GBL. So this will be their last timeout.
Grabe. Hasan Orguro Sultan. Kumpiyansa, Sultan. Di.
Pero you know what, Kuya Jan? We have 22 seconds pa naman. Marami pang oras for Team Aris. So dito na lang, titignan natin ang play, ang gagawin ng Team Sultan for this kind of play.
Uy, ito lang, no, sa atin. Pag nanonood ka ng plain lang na viewer, kumpara sa mga may ginawang mga ano dyan, ito, kinakabahan yan lahat eh, mga
Yes.
plus-plus dyan.
Napapalakpak talaga sila pag makapasok yung puntos
Ito
ng
na.
Sultan.
Ito na.
Napapatayo na yung iba.
My goodness, 83-82.
Mirato will do the free throw. So tignan natin Kuya Jan kung ma-convert yung dalawa to advance a 3-point advance lead. No?
And sa mga nagsasabi at diskumpiyado no, na hindi daw ipapanalo ng Sultans to, kailangan din ng Sultans to.
Lalabanin
Kailangan-
din nito ni Sultan.
Yes.
Tayo mo na ako Kuya Jan kasi talagang di ko makita yung clear vision ng Forte. First throw. Yun, pasok.
Woo.
2 points. Labang.
Grabe. Woo. 84-82, they have reserved their timeout, no? Pag na-shoot mag-shoot nila yan. Oh,
Uy!
Oh my God! Ba't ganun? Anong nangyari?
Buhay Kapampangan.
Rebound na yun
Very
eh.
sloppy rebound by Villaver that time. Nakuha
Hindi si Villaver yun, si
Ah, si ano?
Baluwa
Baluwa.
yun eh. Ay, sayang yun. Dalawang free throw, no? Pero may time pa naman eh.
Yeah, we have enough time.
They have to move on, no? They have to concentrate on this play. Uy!
Pero Kapampangan, wala pang free throw yan. Wala pa napapasok na free throw si Kapampangan.
We have a
So,
2-point ball game. We have a 2-point ball game. We
Yeah,
have
ready
still
for
18
rebound.
seconds. We have still 18
yeah.
seconds.
Ready for rebound tayo this time.
Si Mr. Uberes, no?
Kapampangan.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo si Mr. Uberes.
Ayun,
Oh, okay.
pumasok na.
Ito na, may timeout na nga. May timeout na nga.
So advancing 3-point lead ang Team Sultan 85-82.
Yeah.
Last 80 seconds and that timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Rico Iligan. We can do it and ang team is now.
Grabe, aray ko.
Pero for me, definitely di dapat tawagan ng timeout yung kuya dyan eh. Because for me, if ever mag-crucial game, wala na talaga. Ubus ang oras.
Hindi nila na-cancel eh.
Because for me, if I will be the playing coach or something like that, papatuloy natin yon. Kasi mahaba pa naman ang oras. Kasi pag may crucial play talaga, may the full timeout, talagang full court yung hahabulin mo for that few seconds remaining.
Yeah, tsaka one thing na na-notice ko, ang ganda talaga ng
yes.
teknika natin. Parang may ibang mundo tayo, no?
Yes. Thank you so much Kuya Jan for this, no?
Grabe to.
Nakaka-advance ng nakakalakas ng confidence.
Yung nakadagdag ng production value
Headphones
natin.
natin. Anong brand ito?
Audio Technica, of course, from the United States. Grabe.
Audio Technica palang gamit natin, kaya linaw na linaw.
Linaw na linaw
Guys, eto
talaga.
na. Hawak kamay na po tayo for Team Ares. Is it a win
Yeah.
or lose for this play?
Grabe,
Arloco.
80. Oh!
Baloa.
They have to be very careful on this. They have to be
13.
Balua. Oh my God, 3 points! No! Oh my goodness! My God! We have a timeout game!
Wala na timeout! Wala na timeout! Wala na
We have a
timeout!
timeout
Wala na
game.
timeout! There's no timeout for Sultan! No
Oh
timeout
no,
na!
my God! 85 all! Ano ba yan? Ano
No
ba yan?
timeout! No timeout!
85 ball game. Kuya, kapit,
Ito
kapit!
na.
Kapit dyan!
No timeout tayo.
Barangay Santiago, magkingay!
Prepare your phones,
Oh my God! Yung
Let's
mga
go,
reels,
8
mga reels
seconds.
natin. Sa kuragi, yung mga reels natin.
4,
Oy, nakoy! Oh my God!
Eto na. O, di ba?
Oh.
Sabi ko kuya dyan. If hindi sana tinawag ng timeout, advance tayo dito.
May
2
timeout pa
seconds.
sana
Wala na.
sila. Kung hindi nila ginamit yun.
Oh, yeah. Sabi ko nga, both teams dapat di ginamit. O, tignan natin, di ba? Oh, 2 seconds na yun.
Okay. We have to focus on the game. 2 seconds left. 2.4 seconds left. It's 8.
Okay, fine.
It's
Ayan,
a one
ito na.
position. It's
Binato
Mariato for 3.
Short.
Oh!
Wala tayo. Go,
We
overtime.
have-
OT tayo. OT tayo.
Grabe!
Overtime tayo. Overtime. Dikiri ba yun? Si Dikiri ba yun nasa si Ash Baloa. Baloa got that
Grabe.
forcing 3 shot, Kuya Jan. Baloa yan. Pinilit ni
Grabe.
Baloa tirahin yung tres. And I don't know, si ano pala, Dikiri ba yun?
Si Dikiri yata yun. Dikiri yun.
Dikiri. Pareha mo nagway good.
That was the 3-point shot from Dikiri. Rimar Dikiri.
Parang may
Uy, may nalulungkot doon, no?
sa mga
May mga nalungkot, may mga sumaya.
So anyway,
For the love of the game, grabe talaga. GBL, game time.
okay.
Game time. It's game time. We have an overtime for our very last game for our elimination round.
Shout out tayo sa ating 16,000 viewers.
Ganda ng laban. Okay lang matalo
napapatayo
ang
kami.
Sultans. Pasok na rin naman sila. Ang Ares kailangan nilang manalo. Yes, pero as I have mentioned, kailangan nilang mag-number 1 so that they can escape from the powerful 2 teams of Bajams and Rayela Trabungco.
You know what, kanina Kuya Jan, as we analyze the game tonight, sabi ko nga namin ni Mikoy kanina na hindi ito basta-bastang laruan. Kasi it's a win or a lose for go home or for Team Ares, pero for Team Sultan, they're fighting also to win up na
for
makuha yung top
possession.
spot.
They need to secure number 1 because the
Yes.
advantage is all on number 1.
Nababaan yun ako. Hindi ko
Grabe
kasi mag-overtime yun. Overtime yun talaga.
Grabe naman naman to. Shout out sa ating mga live audience, no? Hossein Ali, Amel Dinapagan, so mani. And also to KC Panutukan, Abdul Samad, Ethan Bandma.
Mo gani.
Kulbaan ang nakasugalan ni Bagay. Picture Bisaya, nakapustaan ni Tagam mo, mga buaya. Grabe naman sila, oy.
Yes.
And of course, pero ang problema, ang kontra. Woo! We have an overtime. And just to go back, no, ang ato ang naka-record ta og 4 overtimes
Yes.
katong sa
In the
sa Pawn
record yan.
Station, no?
Umabot tayo ng 4 na overtime.
Okay. So,
Yes, we are informing everybody that we are using the SBP
board?
time board.
score lang dato sa taas.
Ayan, scoreboard po natin sa lahat.
Okay,
Ayan.
sa time natin, official dito sa table. And then sa ato ang kuan is...
Yan, sakto na yan. 5 minutes.
Eto
First
na.
OT tayo.
Oh, si Paige ni Mikoy, gwapo sa do. This is a ball game, of course. Uli ka manggod.
O, di ba, pre-pre? Kay paring Mikoy, nababaan yun nato paring Mikoy na overtime gining dulaan. Kay
Kani.
kabalo yun ko. Intensity of the game, both of the team players or team are fighting way in to take a win for tonight. So, wala
GBL.
talagang...
Pakpak mga abay. Jovic Ordeniza. Migs. Zaking, Andaya, Go Ares, Daryl, Ogtong Calve, Go
Now, aggressive.
Sultans!
Tingnan natin sino una makapuntos dito. Pumupukol, Arnoco.
Ito na.
Okay.
Kapampangan for the strong rebound. Pinasa nila sa kanilang franchise player na si Michael Mirato. Grabe, magaling yan. Michael Mirato Promotions. Ang daming promotions niya, no?
Yan. And this time, I feel na Kuya John, na talagang they are now making a lot of energy, no? Kasi kung kasi mo take over aning a play for the 5 minutes, will surely make the win. O, ayun, pumasok na yung tira ngayon. That will be advancing the points for Team Sultan.
So 85-87. We are on our first overtime. So sabihin na lang natin first, baka mayroon second pa dito, no?
Yeah.
Ito
For
si
sure.
Luca Balua, hesitation moves. Ito na, naghahanap siya ng kakampi. Nakahanap niya kanyang younger brother na si Balua. Ooh!
Wow! Nice screen move yun. That would be a good
Grabe
point
to.
for Ash.
Iba talaga.
Balua,
Lingin gid ang bula. According
Yeah.
to Boss V, shout out.
Walang bigayan.
Nasnur Kapampangan.
Attacking the basket.
Uy! Ginamitan ng edad na rin. At saka yung power moves ni Nasnur. Grabe.
Ginamitan ng katawan.
Galing talaga ni Nasnur, no? Vintage move niya yun eh.
Kapampangan making his last free throw kanina na talagang very important yon. But this time, still struggling si Kapampangan. Isa lang out of anim na tira, isa lang pumasok for the free throw. Okay, that would be another 2. So 2 for 60 Kapampangan for the free throw. Dikiri. Screen by Villavera. Dikiri ulit. Villavera. Short, and that would be a free throw. Uy! And that would be third for parang pangatlo na ata yung Kapampangan. Ilan na yun?
Check sound.
Ilan na yung palo Kapampangan? Uy, pang-apat ni Kapampangan na yun. Kapampangan, fourth personal foul. Okay. Villavera ready for rebound. Ayan, pasok. Tie pa rin tayo. Balik sa 88. Under 3 minutes and 32. Arabe. Arabe shooting for 3. Bang! Pasok yung tres na yun. Arabe for 3 points. Oh, definitely foul yun. Oh, that would be a foul for Kapampangan, I think. Foul, 5 na, fouled out. Kapampangan, fouled out.
Grabe. Shout out Coach Imong SA, shout out Ben Mark Tabar Silang. Clar Di Selabak Idol, extra 4 foul. John Paul Suarez, shout out kang Kyle Arayco, extra rise.
Ayun, tatawagan nila ng challenge.
Wala pa sila ka-challenge, wala pa sila. Coach. Isa lang ang challenge natin ha.
Ayan, so there will be a challenge for Team Sultan kasi talagang inihingatan nila sa Kapampangan na key player for the center position for Team Sultan. Kasi pag si Kapampangan yung nag-foul na yon, tatawagan ng foul and definitely a 5 personal foul for Kapampangan and he is out of the game. So titignan natin, kinamtest nila and that would be a review for us for Team SBP, no? So titignan natin kung sinong foul talaga, si Kapampangan ba or yung ibang player na kasama. Okay, so anyway guys, so that would be a coach timeout po tayo, referee timeout po tayo for that review. Sultan talagang tumawag ng review this time. Talagang very crucial for tayo for that kind of call kasi if ever si Kapampangan yun, definitely tanggal na po siya sa laro to. Na very crucial pa naman kasi talagang effective po siya for the rebound and both offense and defense for Team Sultan. So, titignan natin, they are going to review because the Team Sultan tumawag ng review for that replay for the game. So anyway guys, shout out po tayo sa ating mga viewers natin, 379 na most likely aabot po tayo ng 400. No? So anyway, shout out po sa ating mga live viewers. Ayan, shout out kay Jesser Ocampo Nelly. Klaro kayo ni Koot sa bulsa ko ang amigo na ba?
Nego may ang game dito ba?
Ito na. So, let's find out kung ano yung decision. So, Di Masimpan got that foul, hindi si Kapampangan.
Successful.
Successful.
Successful ang challenge.
Yeah, successful.
Okay, retain ang timeout ng Sultans. Successful ang challenge nila.
So, Baloa Ash for free throw. Pasok.
Grabe naman to.
Ready for rebound. Pasok. So, 91-90. Tala na score under 2 minutes and 56.
$91.90 lamang pa rin ang Sultans Coffee RX Kapampangan. Ito na.
Mira Ato.
Uy, what a fake and a shot! Uy! Hindi, uy! Ano yun?
Good. It's good.
Hindi na ano ni sir. Ah, grabe naman to.
Almost a shot clock violation, but that will be a fighting rebound. So nakuha pa rin ng Sultan. So refresh starting tayo for 14 shot clock. Kapangpangan, looking for open man. Imasimpan.
Oh, hindi pumasok yun, no? Okay. $91-90, still in favor of Sultan's Cafe RX.
Yes.
Remaining time is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Grabe. Ito na si Rimar Dikere. Siya yung nakashoot ng 3 points kanina for the overtime. Ito naman si Arnoco
Time to
ngayon.
shoot.
Arnoco.
Arnoco talaga pumapatay ng oras
Ito
din
na.
guys.
Ito na. Ito nakita niyang advantage kasi si Kapa. Uy, what a pass!
Oh!
Wow!
Okay.
What a pass and a shot from Sir Villaver. Ito na, Miraato.
92, lamang lang yung ares
Lamang
yun.
na ang ares, no? Last 2 minutes na tayo, Kuya Jerm.
Last 2 minutes for the first OT.
Grabe. First OT, ha? Baka may second pa. Or baka may
Tingnan
third pa,
natin.
no, di ba? Tingnan
Tingnan
natin.
natin.
Ito na.
Lapangan.
Veterans to. Cup, oy, what a spin! Grabe, ang gandang galawan nun. Pinakita talaga ni Nestor Kapangpangan that he is a veteran coming from, actually, alumni din to ng
Yes.
IMCC. And then, isang legend na panalay ng Lanao Sur.
Kaya nga, Kuya John, they are fighting for a possession na di makapag-fall out si Kapangpangan that time kasi talaga effective siya both defense and offense.
Yes, actually, their focal point of offense is uy, coming from the under of Kapampangan.
Tie ball game tayo ulit, 92.
Oo.
Ready for rebound.
Ito yung advantage ng GBL kasi this is an open age, open bracket. I mean,
Umabot na tayo 400 most
yeah,
likely.
kung bata ka
Yes.
or above 40 ka na, you can still, if you can be competitive, then why not? 92-92 all tayo. Grabe naman to. 1 minute and 30. Uy, a costly turnover ba yun? Okay, we have to retain the ball to Ares Iligan XD Wonder Tech. Grabe naman to. Aray ko, si Arabi natulog from GS yung maestro. Shout out.
92 tayo ball game, 92.
90,
92 all tayo, 92.
92 all na, 92 all na tayo. Okay? Eto, si Dikere. Uy, minama! Wow! Grabe, gandang galaw nun.
The Kiri is not very effective in this
Minama,
play
no?
that time.
Minama niya si Alarabi. Eto na.
Under 2 minutes, under a minute
Lamang na si Ares. Ito naman din. Uy, supalpal, di masimpan. Ito si Jam. Si Jam.
Offensive yun,
Ba,
offensive yun.
talaga yun, no?
Offensive talaga yun.
Offensive talaga. Woo! Grabe! Hiyawan yung mga tao dito, pati tayo.
Ayun. I can see a frustration from the
Aray
Masimpan.
ko!
But giving that kind of possession, elbowing the defense, napapa-offensive foul talaga that time.
Grabe, hindi na tayo magkarinigan tayo. Buti na lang may audio technica. Ay, ang ganda talaga.
Sarap talaga. Actually, to be honest kayo dyan, talagang both hiyawan ng live at ng sa ating
Narinig natin.
same.
May ambient noise
Yes.
eh. Kanina power ng SideTech Live Prime.
Oo, galing talaga ng ating
May
Cytec DMS.
Yeah, may ano tayo, may ambient noise, ambient sound. Ito si Balua.
Balowas forcing
Balua.
that shot.
Uy, ang gandang.
Uy.
Uy, wala. My goodness.
Ito na.
Luka Balua for that cross. Uy, may foul. Sayang yun. Sayang yung shot ni Balua, no? Pero itong si younger brother na Balua ba, galing talagang kumuha ng charge, no?
Yes.
May previous games natin, mga ilang charge din nakuha niya, no? Kasi binababad niya yung katawan niya, no? Sakripisyo yan eh. There's an art of getting that offensive foul. Mahirap yun.
Yeah.
At saka masakit.
So, Kuya John, this one, Andor playing a shot for this free throw. No good.
Sayang naman to.
Kakailanganin nila yan kasi they need to tie it
Crucial
up.
free throw yun eh. Crucial free throw from Andor. But babawi yan si Andor. Idol Andor yan eh.
Ready for rebound.
Shout out Kurt Cruy and Kyle Cabal. Oh, ito na nga. 93-94.
Isang lamang.
Still in favor of Ares. Ito, nagmamadali na sila. Gandang move doon. Uy, may... Oh, muntik na yun ha. Ito, Rimar Dikere, yung hero natin sa fourth quarter. Ito, grabe ang higpit. Ito, Balua. Oh, si Balua yung focal nila. Al-Arabi is on the defense. Uy, ang ganda. Wow! Uy, naubo. Uy! Sayang! Na turnover pass. Ano ba yan? Ito, Meraato.
Adnan.
Adnan! Wow! Ang gandang galaw nun! Woo!
17 seconds na lang natitira.
Grabe, GBL. Nakaka-proud talaga.
Timeout, Sultan.
Oh, Kuya, as I was saying, this is the very first time. Maraming first time tayo sa GBL, no? Meron tayong ganitong production at saka meron tayong ganitong experience.
Yan na. Ay. Actually guys, makita niyo sa live na to, 7 seconds. Actually 17 pa yan. May third digit yan na makita. Irog. Pwede irog. 17 yan, 17. Yan, irog na to gamay. Sige, irog. Irog dito gamay. Ayan.
Grabe. Ang gandang laban to. Shout out sa mga live viewers natin. I think hindi tayo nakapag-live ng YouTube kasi we have to redo our connection kasi may fiber break or fiber issues talaga. But as much as possible, we wanted to at least have on Facebook.
Yan, 17 seconds.
Live tayo ngayon sa Facebook.
Crucial shot, ako crucial free throw.
Pero short yun eh.
Short
Oo
yun.
nga yun. No? Sa bitaw pa lang.
Rainbow kayo. So, a chance for Sultan to tie.
Anong
17 seconds, 17 seconds.
17 seconds yan.
Yeah.
Okay, so hindi 7.
Ah, yan.
Bang!
Uy,
Hindi
wala.
My goodness, hindi pumasok. Wala. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Hindi na pumasok ni Adnan. Sayang. Ano na?
Uy, tinawagan na ng foul.
Saan na? Ano na? Sayang, pang-taya ata yun eh.
Pang-tie yun talaga, pang-tie yun.
Adnan, hindi pa napasok. So 5 seconds.
Ah, yeah, 5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Sayang pala.
5.9 na po yung oras na titira. Balowa, a chance to stretch the lead. First row. Pasok.
Oh my goodness.
Papatayo yung fans talaga.
Oh my goodness.
Sinayang yung dalawang free throw ni Adnan kanina. Balowa.
Malamang
second
nal-
row.
Wala! Hala! Wala nga!
Oh! One! Wala na.
Oh!
It's a win! It's a win! It's a win for Sultan.
Grabe!
It's a win for Aris. Nice game. Nice game for Aris. And now,
Sayang, hindi na shot yung...
Kuya Jan, congratulations. Winner tayo, Team Aris. And now, it's an advance. Pasok sila sa top 6 for the playoffs.
Hello, mga Cats. Laglag si MSU IIT Cats.
Sorry for
Ganyan
our
talaga,
team
ha?
second. But anyway, kudos pa rin sa ating MSU IT Cats. See you on our next season.
Ganyan talaga ang live eh.
But talagang playing hard ang Team Aris natin tonight.
Grabe.
Napaka-crucial. Forcing that game, Kuya Jan, to in
Yes.
overtime and taking the advantage for the OT, first OT na mapanalo nila. Sayang lang yung tira ni Adnan kanina na hindi talaga pumasok.
Saya.
So anyway, thank you sa atin sa mga 437,000
Grabe.
viewers. Maraming salamat. Lingin talaga ang bola. Ka GBL Grams Arsenal. Grabe, napakagaling na laro na yon ng Team Aris. And Team Aris finally concluded a game winning tonight, securing their 6th spot on the playoffs. Starting next week na po yan mga ka-GBL.
Yeah, once again, congratulations to Aris XD WonderTech.
Yes. But also the Team Sultan is also part of the team, top 6 naman, so nothing to worry for them. But again, di sila top for the first seed. Pero pasok pa rin sila sa playoffs. So congratulations for Team Sultan Cafe RX for a nice game tonight. Ayan. So anyway, this is Mike Master G. So maraming salamat sa mga viewers. Okay, we're going to announce our Derek Shaw player of the game. So a moment of time. So talaan ang score natin. At the end, it will be 93-95 lamang ng 2 puntos ang Team Aris for the win in overtime. Ayan, so congratulations sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers. So now let us announce our Derek Xiao Player of the Game.
Check. Test. 1.
Interview si Roberesa. So, dalawang interviewin natin. Ang best player, of course, ang the happiest player, the happiest owner, Mr. Roberes. Kaya, take it away. Woo! The happiest player in town.
Ayan, so Coach, yan.
Nagpaalam na kanina, pero humabol pa.
Ayan.
To God be the glory.
Ayan, so, anyway, congratulations, Sir Roberes. Okay. So anyway, ayan.
Unahin natin si Mr. Roberes.
Yes. So anyway, Mr. Roberes, congratulations for the win. Unexpectedly, talagang you really fight for that win tonight. So what's the mindset in winning and playing this game na talagang alam naman natin na this is a do or die for your team, Ares?
Before, kanayos pa yung dialect, sir. Bisayaon lang ako, salamat kayo. Biyan sa effort sa tanan. Kundili God, Lord, salamat kay Lord God sa presensya sa Matagusa. Na naa sila diri karon. Lord, tungod sa imo ha. Salang effort, salang presence of mind, teamwork. Salamat kay Lord God. Thank you kay sa team sa pagpaminaw sa effort nila o sa camaraderie.
And because talaga sabi naman na kanina ni Kuya Jan that the key thing for you to win for Team Aris tonight, there will be a leader to speak out talaga for your players kasi tahimik lang sila in the field. But dinig namin at the side corner na talaga sumisigaw ka for your team to make a play. So what's your motivation for them?
Kuha na yun, sir. Kato siya ako, nag-stand lang yun ko para mo determine sa ila. Para makita nila kung unsa ako ka-determinado nga nara ko sa gawas.
Yes.
Even though wala ko kayo hatag og effort, pero nagpasalamat yapon ko kay naminaw sila sa kuha. Mautoy naghatag para dili sila yagaw sa sulod. Kay wala si coach, assistant coach lang ana, but thank you Lord. Thank you kay sa team.
All right. So this time, congratulations kasi pasok na kayo sa ating playoff game. So what will be your mindset and preparation for the team? Kasi alam naman natin na madugong bakbakan yan in the playoffs starting next week.
Soon, practice me. Before that, focus good me kay murag lisod-lisod jud kaayo ang mga kontra nato no 1 2 3. So maningkamot me sir, maningkamot me.
Yes.
Practice lang jud.
Congratulations, Sir Riveres, for your win tonight. And
Thank
you
you,
are so
sir.
very effective also in your game. Sabi
Yes.
nga namin kanina kay Mikoy na you are so very effective as a coach as well as a player in your team. So congratulations for your win tonight po.
Thank you sir.
Yeah, congratulations. And now let us announce our ayan, Kom, can you do the announcement? Ayan, so we have the announcement. So we have our Derek Xiao player of the game. We have 15 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists, 9 assists. Congratulations to number 77, Asnawi Luca Baloa. Ayan. Suot balik yung ano natin. Okay. Sir Luca Baloa, please join me here, sir. Ayan, congratulations po. Anyway, can we request our staff from 4J Actives first, sir? Congratulations dito muna dito sa gitna, sir. Accept this medal. Okay, may panimedal na tayo from 4J Sports and a cup. Okay, so congratulations. Picture muna tayo, picture. So, interview natin. So, as we all know, congratulations to our Derek Shaw player of the game. So now, this will be a great fight. And in the history of GBL, Team Aris is fighting their way to the playoffs. At talagang alam naman natin na very crucial yung play laruan kanina. Now, fighting in your first set of game, ano yung gameplay na set sa inyo for this win tonight?
Nag-adjust lang sa defense.
Defense, okay?
I-convert na din naman sa offense.
Pero
And
you know,
teamwork.
yes, okay. So basically, ganun yun. But anyway, kanina, napasok yung 3-point play ni Kiri kanina, and that will be a fighting chance for you to force it on OD. Now, this time, talagang kita naman namin na sabi namin kanina that the Team Aris should need a leader. So sino yung nag-outstand to make a play for the OT para mapanalo yung laro tonight?
Siyempre, kami gid tanan. Then,
Yes.
alos kami tanan. Ganahan man gid mo dula og top 6. Kanang Magic 6.
Yes.
Mong gusto gyud may mga aggressive na mitanan sa among dula kay win or lose na ba to.
Yes, and
Kung
definitely-
mabilde wala na dula.
Yes, it's a do or die or go home, no?
Oh.
Okay,
Para
so
mo no na gusto na mo mudula sa Magic 6 para ma-experience na mo ang kwan.
Okay.
Season 1
So, unsa yun sa man yung pag-overcome ang pressure kaganina. Nga na mo sa overtime and talagang dikdikan ang labanan. Ang Sultan are very consistent sa kanilang defense and offense. So, what will be your advantage on the OT? Paminaw ni mo, unsay advantage ninyo on that overtime play?
Wala lang yun, sinaligay lang may sa among mga kauban. Then, wala may naghinakog og kwan, bula. Dasig lang yun sa kauban.
Okay, so congratulations. So, sa may mindset ni mo karon nga moabot na mo o mudula na mo sa ato ang playoff game for the first playoff sa ating season 1 for GBL. Unsa may inyong paminaw nga unsay angay ninyo buhaton in
Ako
preparation?
Basin, mag-practice lang guro may ane kay murag struggle kay me, dili man ka sinabot sa play.
Okay. So that would be
Wala.
a thing to overcome, no?
Oo.
Okay, so since kayo, panalo na kayo and pasok na kayo sa top 6, so looking forward for another play, ha, to improve. Kasi talagang best of the best na yung maglalaro for this playoff. So, Sir Loco Baloa, number 77, thank you so much. So, congratulations once again, ladies and gentlemen, Loco Baloa. Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out.
Shoutout ko sa akong asawa, gatanaw sa live, akong papa, then Coach Gabs, among tailoring, Asraf tailoring. Then, sir.
Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, our directional player of the game, we have Loco Baloa, number 77, doing a great play for tonight's win kasi talaga namang do or die for our team Ares. And as mentioned earlier, as we overview no, the team matchup, talagang ati ka mong bakbakan and hindi tayo nagkamali to say na talagang aabot tayo ng overtime. And good thing kasi isang overtime lang tayo mga ka-GBL. So anyway, this will be a last week for our regular season for the GBL Season 1. And next week, starting na po tayo for April and magsisimula na po tayo for our playoffs game. So this is Mike Master G, Jervin Reno Dalangin Halili saying, you know what time is it? It's game time! Thank you.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Xiao, ang pirmi nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Ascenso, Iliganon.